Hello viewers, today I will share how to replace the iPhone 11 Pro back glass. Let's start after the intro. Let's see how to damage the glass. Firstly, I need to damage the glass with the laser machine. Remember, you should keep the position properly, placing the phone by facing the back side of the phone. Now you can see how the laser machine damaging the glass. Laser machine work has been done. You can choose this type of tool to remove the glass. Remove the glass carefully or it will hurt you. After removing the glass, I will fix the back glass and choose glue to fix the back glass. Now you can see it's done. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and comment below. For new videos, click the subscribe button.